Presenting Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 Intel Core i5 11th generation 15.6 inches FHD IPS gaming laptop in shadow black. The laptop runs on Intel 11th generation processor and comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and 3 months Xbox Game Pass. It has 8GB DDR4 SD RAM that is expandable to 16GB and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics with 512GB SSD storage. The laptop is powered with 8 hours battery life. The 15.6 inches FHD IPS display comes in a resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels with a brightness of 250 nits and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Enjoy powerful sound with two 2-watt stereo speakers in dynamic audio. It features a backlit keyboard and comes in a size of 36 into 25.2 into 2.4 centimeters and weighs 2.25 kilograms. The laptop is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and equipped with 3 USB 3.0 ports and an HDMI port.